So good morning students. So in previous video classes we have discussed about the subsets. So we know the definition of the subset. When we say that A is a subset of B, if we say that if we have a two finite set, when we say that A is a subset of B means if for all x belongs to A means all the members of A are the, then what we have, x belongs to B, we say that A is a subset of B. ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ದೊಳಗೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ B ದಾಗ ಅದಾವು ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, A is a subset of B. For this, if every element of the set A are the elements of the set B, then we say that A is a subset of B. Suppose every element of B are the elements of A, then what we say that B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A. So we get this type of assumption. So that is the properties. A is a subset of B. So here we cleared that A is a subset of B. Next we have to observe that subsets of the real numbers. Subsets of real number. So here we have to identify that is the subsets of the real number. Which are the subsets of the real number? So in the subset, real number is nothing but the collection of all the rational and irrational number. In the rational we know that integers are also there. So p by q. So first we have to know about the number system. Natural number we know that n, which we indicated by the n. N is equal to, how we write, 1, 2, 3, so on. Next we write that is a integer which is indicated by the z. So which are those? 0, comma plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, comma plus or minus 3, so on. Next we come to that is the rational number. So how the rational numbers are there? A number of the form p by q, where q is not equal to the 0, where q is not equal to the 0, then we say it is a rational number. So then we have to study that is a irrational number, means other than the rational number are called as a irrational number. So we know that about a real number. Real number is nothing but the union of rational and irrational number. We have already known that is samuha anta heltare. The combining that is a rational and irrational number, what we get, that is nothing but the real number. So here we have to confirm whether these all the number systems, whether they are the subset of real number or not. So one by one we have to confirm. So in the rational number we know that 1 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there. So how we write that is 1? We can write 1 by 1. It is 1. So p by q form is there or not? Where q is not equal to 0 now. So 1 can also be written as 1 by 1, which is of the form p by. So it confirms that 1 is also a rational number, 2 is also a rational number, 3 is also a rational number, and also we get 0. And so 0 by 1 also we can write, 0 is nothing but 0 by 1, means 0 is also element of rational number. So plus or minus, plus number also comes, minus number also comes. There is no restriction for that negative number. So these p and q are any integer we can call that. So in that we are getting these numbers in the rational. Means here it confirms that natural number is a what? A subset of q. How we stated that natural number is a subset of q? Because every element, means every natural number are the elements of what? Rational number are the element. So we can say that natural number is a subset of what? Rational number. So then what about a real number? Real number contain a rational number or not? Why? Because it is formed by the natural rational number only. that is a union of rational and irrational. So then it is a subset of real number. So next we come to that is a integer. Integer is also a subset of rational number. Why? Because every integer are there in the rational number. So for example, we can write that is 0 by 1, which is a rational. So plus or minus 1 by 1. So plus or minus 2 by 1 we can write 2. It is nothing but plus or minus 2. So it is of the p by q form. Automatically it belongs to the rational number or not? So means the elements of the integer are the elements of what? Rational number. If the integer are the subset. So next, subset of rational number. And we know that rational number is a subset of real number already. Why? Because so real number are formed by the rational number only. Next we come to this in between this. So here we confirm that if n is a subset of rational number is a subset of real number, then what about the natural number? Automatically, so the elements of natural number are there in the real number or not? Then we can say that is natural number is a subset of real number, and also integer is also a subset of real number. Next we come to that in between this, natural number and integer. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 are there or not? So positive numbers are there and including negative numbers are there. Then what we can say, natural numbers with z. What they, natural number becomes the subset, a part of the integer. So natural number is a subset of integers. Integer is a subset of rational number. Rational number is a subset of real number. So this is about the subsets. So we will take the note on that. So subsets of real number. Which are the subset of real number we got here? Let we write that is number system. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And integer we know that. So 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3, so on. Next, so we will come to that is the rational numbers. Rational number is nothing but the p by q, where q is not equal to 0. And so we got that natural number is subset of integer. Integer is a subset of rational number, and rational number is a subset of real number. So here we got, it implies that n is a subset of z, z is a subset of q, so q is a subset of real number. So from this it cleared that natural number, integer and rational numbers are the subset of what? Real number. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆತಾವ್ರಿ? ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಏನ್ರಿ? ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್. ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರು ಏನ್ರಿ? ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್. ಇವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನದಾವ್ರಿ? ಇದರದ್ದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ subsets of natural number. So that is a real number. Real number they ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ರಿ subset? Natural number, integer, rational, or you can say that is irrational also. Irrational no ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Irrational is also subset of real numbers. Irrational number is also a subset of real number. So next we come to that is the intervals. So intervals means what? So the word only gives the idea how to define the interval. Interval means what? Interval andre ಏನು? So ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು interval? In between ಅನ್ನೋದು. Interval ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಡಬರ್ಕೆ. So in between. Suppose if we have a two numbers, so we have known already about a number line 1 and 5. 1 and 5, these are the two numbers. So in between these two numbers, so we have a so many number. So collection between the set of all the real number between these two numbers, that is called as an interval. So collection of set of all real number between any two numbers, that is called as an interval. So we'll study that is a different types of interval. Interval ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ. ಈ a ಮತ್ತು b ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಅವಕ್ಕೂ ನಡುವರ್ಕ್ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಂಬರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ನೋಡಿ. 1 ಮತ್ತು 5 ನಡುವರ್ಕ್ ಬಹಳ ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 1.1 ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, 1.2 ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, 1.3 ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, 1.4 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So on infinite numbers we'll get, infinite number of real numbers we'll get between 1 and 5. 1 ಮತ್ತು 5 ನಡುವರ್ಕ್ infinite number of real numbers. So those collection which we call it as an interval. ಆ collection ಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಡುವರ್ಕಿಂದು. ಇವು ಎರಡರ ನಡುವರ್ಕಿಂದ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್, ಗ್ಯಾಪ್. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಟ ಏನದ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್, closed interval, semi open interval, semi closed interval. So let me observe that, so for which we call as an open interval, and these open intervals are indicated like this. So that is open interval ee tara baride, so they are denoted. So it is nothing but the collection of all the real number, collection of all the real number. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಂಬರ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎದರ ನಡವರ್ಕ? ಇವು ಎರಡರ ನಡವರ್ಕಿನು. ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಇವು ಎರಡರ ನಡವರ್ಕ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ರಿ ಅವಕ್ಕೂ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ? ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಪನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ದಂಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡುದು. ಓಪನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ದಂಡಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓಪನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡುದು ಅನ್ನೋದು, ತೆರೆದು ಬಿಡುದು ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಸೊ ಬಿಡುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ? So we have to leave. If we want any number, suppose x is there. So idu enaitri 2 bit ಹಿಂದೆ ಐತ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು. 2 bit ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಐತಿ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? Mathematically we have to state that. How we are representing it. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, for example we know already about a number like 1, 2. So 2 bit ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕ್ರಿ? 2 bit ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. 2 ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, 2 ಬಿಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಸೊ 2 ಬಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋ ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಕೆಳಗ 2 ಬಿಟ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಿಂಬಾಲಿಕಲಿ ಹೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದಟ್? ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, less than 2. So it is not included 2, and greater than what? 1. So we will write that. That is nothing but in between 1 and. So 1 is included? No, it is also not in between. So include ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ equal to ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗೈತ್ರಿ? ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಐತಿ. ಓಪನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್, ಓಪನ್ ತೆರಿಬೇಕು. So open means, so the x is a collection between what? A to B. So that is all the real number between A and B is called as an open interval. E less than indicate ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? leaving that boundary. equal to ಬರ್ದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ include ಮಾಡೋದು, equal to ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ exclude, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಓಪನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we come to that is a closed interval, square bracket, closed interval. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಚ್ಚೈತಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ x and a and b ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವ್ರಿ ನಾವು? ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೆರೆದೇವ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನಂಗ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಮಿ ಓಪನ್. ಸೆಮಿ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್. Semi open interval. So next we come to that is the another interval, that is a semi open interval. Semi open ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಸೆಮಿ ಓಪನ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅರ್ಧ ಮುಚ್ಚೈತಿ ಅರ್ಧ ತೆಗೆದೈತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ? ಸೆಮಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಸೆಮಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಅರ್ಧ. ಓಪನ್ ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಐತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. ಸೆಮಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್. ಓಪನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೇವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ a to b. So we have to collect the real number between a and b but not including a but including b. b include ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ, a include. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀರಿ? ಸೆಮಿ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ. Collection of x. So a is not included, x. So but b is included, b include ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇವ್ರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಕೇವ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದೇವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆದಂಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಕ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ರೀ, ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಕ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. So next we come to that is a semi closed interval. Semi closed ಅಂದ್ರೆ left side closed, that is a to b. Right side open. So ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? The collection of x such that a is included. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಐತ್ರಿ, include ಅಂದ್ರೆ equal to ಹಾಕೋದು. So that is exclude ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. So less than b, not equal, less than b. So these are the four intervals which we have to study, that is. So that is the subsets of the interval we got. So let me take that is about the interval. So now we have to discussing about the intervals as a subset of real number. So here from this word we come to know that interval means between two real numbers, between two integers, between two rational numbers. So that real numbers we have to collect. Those real numbers we have to collect. That is nothing but the interval. So how we define these intervals means, let if a comma b belongs to the real number. ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ಮತ್ತು b ಏನ್ರಿ? ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾಗ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಯಾವ ಬೇಕಾದ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋ. ಎರಡು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಇವು ಎರಡು ಹೆಂಗದಾವ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ a is less than b. a ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? b ಕಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣದೈತ್ರಿ. a ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? b ಕಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣದೈತಿ. Then the set of set ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ? The set of all real number between a and b is called the interval. ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ? The collection of all the real number between a and b. ಇವು ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ನಡಬರ್ಕ್ ಏನ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ರಿ, ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವಿ ನಾವು? ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಅದ್ರಾಗ so we have so many types of interval. So that is, one is open interval, we write like this, and another one is a closed interval. So it is a closed interval, and semi open interval and semi closed interval. So these are the intervals we have. So first we will see take that is about open interval. Open interval. Open interval. Interval. So open interval it is denoted by like this, a comma b. So how we write? That is nothing but a collection of all real number. We will write that is in the set builder form. Set builder form naga bari. So ಇದು roster form ಬರೆಗ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ set builder. So the collection of all the real number between what? Between whether we have to include or not. So it should not be included. Why? Because open is there. We have to leave them.
Not equal.
So not equal we have to use. That is x is less than a is less than x, and x is less than b. So this collection is called as a open interval. Next,
Closed interval.
closed interval. Closed interval. So how we indicate that is closed interval? Like this, a comma b, square bracket. So here a collection of all real numbers. So how to collect that? In between a and b, we have to collect all real number between a and b, including a and b, including a and b. So that how we write that is x less than or equal to b, x greater than or equal to a. So this collection is called as a closed interval. Closed interval. Open andre bit andre equal to ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Closed andre equal to ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So one interval ಬರೀರಿ. For example 2 2 3. ಇದು ಯಾವ interval ರೀ? Closed interval. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? Set builder format collection of x such that x is greater than or equal to greater than or equal to 2 and less than or equal to 3. So this is called as a closed interval. Next, open interval ಬರೀದ್ರಿ -2 to minus so 0. ಇದು ಯಾವ interval? So it is an open interval. Open interval ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ? So it is not included. It is not. How we write this in a set builder form? That is x such that so x is less than not equal so 0 and greater than -2, greater than -2 is not included. So this is about the two intervals which we came to know. So about open interval. Open interval is a collection of real number between a and b. So a is not included and b is not included. Excluding a and b, that collection of real number is called as a open interval. And how we represent them in a real number line? So that symbolical representation of that this open interval in the number line. So let's we take that this is a and it is a b. So here a is not included, means we have to write it as an open circle, and b is also not included, so open circle. So remaining are included, so remaining we have to take, means we have to say. So this is a way of representing that is the interval, open interval in the real number line. Open interval in the real number line. Now open interval ಏನಾರ real number line ದಾಗ represent ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ? So a is not included, b. So that for that we have to draw the open circle. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ? Closed interval. We write like this. So a to b. So that is nothing but the collection of x such that including a and b, including both. So for that symbolically which we express in the number line like this. So this is a and it is a b. So including means we have to dark the circle. A is included. So in which side we include, that we have to dark the circle. And B is also included. So then we have to dark that circle. So now we have to join this. This is a representation of that is the set in the number line. Like this we have to represent. So in between this. So this is a way of representation of the closed interval and open interval. Next we have to know about the semi-open interval and semi-closed interval, or we can call that is open closed interval, closed open interval also. So ನಾವು ಏನು ಅನ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ, open closed, closed open. So ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. So we'll see that is the open closed and closed open interval. So next we move to that is the interval. So open, closed, open and closed interval. So open and closed interval means one side it is open, means A is not included. So B is included. So B is included. It is nothing but the collection of x such that x including B. So here less than or equal to. But A is not included. Not included. So this collection is called as an open closed interval. And how we represent that in a number line means like this. So A and it is a B. So A is included or not? Not included. Not included means we have to draw the open circle. B is included means we have to draw that is a closed circle. Which we include, that we have to dark that. So next we have to collect in between, means we have to dark. We have to shade it. Shade like this. So this is the diagrammatical representation of the interval, we call it as, or representing the interval in the number line. So like this we have to represent. So next we come to that is open, closed is over. Next we check closed open. So next closed open, closed and open interval. Open interval. So it means what? Closed means square. One side it is. So one side open, that is B is open. It is nothing but the collection of all real number between. Interval means in between A and B. So what is the condition? A is included. X. So it is less than or equal to A.
Not equal to B.
So not equal to B. So B is not included. Then how we write that in a diagrammatical form? So this is a A and it is a B. So here A is included. For A, which circle we have to draw? Dark circle. Include ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? Dark. B include ಆಯ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? Open circle. ನಡಬರ್ಕಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? Shade. Why? Because we are including that. We are collecting means we have to include that. So like this we have to shade. So in this way we have to represent that number line in the real number line. These are the intervals. So let me see about these subsets. So of real number we came to know that. Next, after we have studied about the intervals. So next, so this is the roster form of the interval and it is a set builder form. So we will discuss some example regarding the expressing the intervals in roster to the set builder to the roster. And next after that we have to study about that is the what? So about the subsets of real number. Subsets of real number gottada? Natural number is also subset, integer is also subset, and rational number is also subset, and irrational number is also subset of real number, we came to know. So next, so we will discuss the examples regarding this whatever we have studied. Subsets and its subsets of real numbers. So next, intervals. So how many types of intervals we have? 4: open, closed, open, closed, closed, open. These are the intervals which we have studied, and we know how them diagrammatical representation or a symbolical expression of those intervals. Open interval means what? So we have to collect all the real number between a and b, but not including a and b, excluding a and b, not including andru ಅಂದರೆ excluding a and b. So in the closed interval, collection of all real number between a and b, including a and b. So that is called as a closed interval. So next we come to that is a open closed interval. Open closed means the collection of all real number between a and b, excluding a but including b. Next, for this closed open interval, closed open means collection of all the real number between a and b, so including a but not excluding b, not excluding b, excluding b. So that is about the sets. So interval as a subset of real number. So so next we come to that is the another type of set which we have to discuss, that is a power set. So power set is nothing but, so that is power set means what? Power means what? For a man, when we say that is a man is a powerful man, when we say if he contain everything, if he possible to do any work, so means he has a strength of doing anything, means all the powers he should do that. So whatever they want, so whatever he want, so he can do that. So such type of man we call them as a powerful man. But here power set means what? So we have a set which contain all the sets. So that is all ellanu adrolage irbeku. So when we say that is a power set means a set which containing all the as a set subsets. ಉಳ್ಕಾದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಇದರದ್ದು subset ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. The set which is a subset of all sets. All sets are the subsets of this set. Then we call it as a power set. So for which we call as a power set means collection of all possible subsets. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎ ಅನ್ನೋದು 1 2 3 4. ಸೊ ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಸೆಟ್, collection of all possible subsets, collection of all possible subsets of a given set. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆತಾವ್ರಿ ಅದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತದ? ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ದಾನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ದಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎ ಬಿ ದ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಎ ದಾಗ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿ ದಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಎ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಏನು ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಈ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ 1 2 3 4, ಇದ್ರ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆತಾವು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು. So first, so we know that null set, empty set is a subset of every set. ಒಂದನೇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, null set is a subset of every set. So means one we got that null set is a subset of A, means in a power set null set is there. Next we take that is another. So ಈಗ sets create ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Sets ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು? Singleton set ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So singletons 1, whether 1 is a subset of A or not. ಹೌದು, 1 ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ A ದಾಗ ಐತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ? ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ A. ಅಂದ್ರೆ every singleton set of a given elements of a set A are the subset of A. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಟನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ನು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಯ್ತದೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಟನ್ 2 is a subset of A. So singleton 3 is a subset of A. Singleton 4 is a subset of A. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಟನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏದ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಏದ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏದಾನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ಸೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವ್ರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇರುವ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಅದಾವ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವ 4 ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ರೀ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮುಗೀತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 2 elements 3 element set 4 it's complete. Next we form a sets 1 2 whether it is a subset a set which contain 2 elements. So when we say this is a subset of if these elements are the element of A or not 1 2 ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು subset of A. Next 1 3 ಅದೇ so that is a subset of A. Next 1 4 subset of A. ಹೌದ್ರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ 1 4 ಮುಗಿದ್ರಿ ಮುಂದೆ 1 5 ಇಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿತದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 3 ಹೌದ್ರಿ 2 3 is a subset of A. So then 2 4 this is also complete 2 4 other next so that is 3 4 this is a complete 3 4 is also subset of no is a subset of A. Next we come to that is
Sir, subset.
A belongs for then subset correct next. So next we come to that is 3 elements 2 elements ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದೋರಿ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ರಿ 3 elements 3 elements ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆದೋರಿ 1 2 3 is a subset of A. Next 1 2 4 is a subset of A. other next 2 3 4 is a subset of A. Next in ಏನ್ರಿ 1 2 3 4 is also subset 1 2 3 4 is the subset of A. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆತಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 2 3 4 5 ಸೊ 5 10 15 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟೇವ್ರಿ ನಾವೇಲೆ. So we have written that is we missed that another set 1 2 3 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2 4 3 4 ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಂಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಐತ್ರಿ 1 2 3 4 ಅದ್ರಿ 1 2 ಐತಿ 1 3 ಐತಿ 1 4 ಐತಿ 2 3 ಐತಿ 2 4 ಐತಿ 3 4 ಐತಿ ಹೌದ್ರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 2 3 1 2 4 ಐತ್ರಿ 1 3 4 ಐತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 3 ಬರ್ತೈತಿಲ್ರಿ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 3 4 ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಇವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿವೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಿ ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬರೀರಿ ಏದು ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಎ null set. So 1 2 3 4 means A itself A null set. Next singleton sets ಬರೀಬೇಕು 1 2 3 and 4 ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋದು. ಸೊ ಇವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಹೆಂಗ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ರಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೂರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇವು ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಮೂರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ 1 2 3 4 ಮೂರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋರಿ? 1 ಸೊ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದ್ರೆ ಲಕ್ಷ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂದಾಗ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ 1 2 ವಾಟ್ 3 ಹೌದಲ್ಲ 1 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 3 4 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಲಕ್ಷ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. 1 ಮೂರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ, ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ ಆರಾಮ, ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. 1 4 ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ? 1 4 2 ಆರ್ 1 2 4 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ, ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೇನು 1 3 4 ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ. 1 3 2 1 3 2 ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅವಕ್ಕೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. 1 2 3 ಹೌದಲ್ಲ 1 3 2 ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಲಕ್ಷ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅವಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾವ. 1 2 3 4 ಈ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 2 3 4 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? 1 2 ಏನ್ರಿ 1 2 3 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋದು, ಅದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. 1 2 3 ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 2 4 ಮುಗೀತ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 2 4 ಮುಗೀತು. 1 2 ಲಿತ್ರ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ 2 1 3 2 1 3 ಆರ್ 1 3 2 ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ 1 2 3 ಆಗೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ. 2 1 3 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಹೊಳೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲೈತ್ರಿ ಮೂರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1 2 3 1 2 4 1 2 3 1 2 4